All right, I can already tell from the title of this video, you clicked on thinking, there's no way he's actually quitting Amazon FBA. He has to be clickbaiting us. But let me first and foremost tell you why this is not a clickbait. Yes, I am in fact quitting FBA, but it's just to the extent of the old method, or what I have perceived to be kind of how Amazon FBA has been done over the past couple of years. As many of you know, I've been in Amazon FBA for just over 2 years now, and how I kind of perceive the timeline of things going with Amazon FBA is that in the beginning, it was kind of like the Wild West. As long as you could get products on Amazon and start selling them, there was a pretty good chance you were gonna be profitable listing just about anything. As long as you could make it look decent and get a product listing page up there, you were probably going to make some money on it, is how it felt to me. Subsequently, over the next couple years, you really had to start to put more of a focus on quality products, differentiating your products, really finding a market that had a need for that product. And that was where you really start to see the money come in. You had to put a little bit more effort into differentiating from these Chinese knockoffs. You had to have a plan of attack for once you did get knocked off. And that was kind of how you could run your business up to that point. Nowadays, what it feels like in being Amazon FBA over the past year or so, it's felt like it's taken more of a shift to where there is no room in Amazon FBA, in my opinion, for amateur sellers. Anybody that tells you it's going to be an easy, quick way to be profitable, they are straight up lying to you or selling you a course. Because it's not gonna happen these days. The competition is too much. Unless you have a plan of attack and a real business strategy and a differentiated product and a way to brand and market that product, I hate to break it to you, you're not going to survive the price wars with your Chinese competitors or the margin wars with Amazon. If you haven't been in the business and you haven't seen what's going on with Amazon FBA fees, they continue to go up and up and up. Amazon's adding even more fees to an already fee-stricken strategy. So newsflash, it's not getting any easier to sell on Amazon, it's actually getting a lot harder. And I've talked about this in other videos, but that's good and bad. It's good for sellers like me and people that are willing to take on the battle and the fight of trying to stay on Amazon and stay relevant on Amazon and get our products sold on Amazon. But it's really bad if you're trying to just jump in because you saw some Instagram ad saying that they were gonna show you step by step how to sell a product on Amazon, and it's so easy because they've been doing 50 grand a month. And that's great. Maybe they were 2 years ago, but unless they're talking about an actual branded strategy, it's probably not actually happening for them anymore, if it ever was. And that's part of the reason why I'm even making this video, why I'm even telling you that I'm shifting the way that I'm doing Amazon FBA, is because I'm just tired of like doom scrolling Amazon ads, seeing the next e-commerce expert talking about how they're gonna do the most unprecedented thing for you by showing you how they are making 20 grand a month in profit selling on Amazon FBA, and that they have the blueprint, they've cracked the code, and that they have the surefire way for you as an e-commerce beginner to quit your 9 to 5 and start making money tomorrow. It's just absolutely exhausting for me. Like, I'm 31 years old. Maybe in my 20s, I could get excited about something like that, but it just feels so inauthentic to me. Like, it's so obvious that what they're really after is just trying to make money. And good for them. Like, if that's your business strategy and you just want to, e-commerce is a means to an end just to make some money, then that's great. I'm sure there's opportunities here and there that you can find, but that's just not what I'm passionate about. At this point in my life and my career, I wanna do something that actually matters. I wanna do something that I'm passionate about. I wanna build something long-term that matters today and will matter tomorrow and matter in a couple of years. A lot of you may say that like I'm just on a soapbox and this is like some moral victory I'm trying to win, but I'm serious. At the end of the day, so many aspects of e-commerce can feel very shallow and feel just kind of like money grabs, and that's not what I'm after. And that's not why I got into Amazon FBA, and that's why my focus is strictly on building and doing Amazon FBA the right way, and it is probably different than a lot of people are doing Amazon FBA today. I just started to notice that the people that I really look up to in this space, in the e-commerce space in general, have more of a why behind what they're doing and have more of a determination to do something of value, to bring actual value to the customers. Not just talk the talk and say that they're providing value, but can actually showcase what they're bringing to the market that is in fact better and does serve a purpose and has a place in a market and makes people's lives better. That's what I'm after. Hopefully you get that from my YouTube channel, that what I'm really about here is building a brand. And yes, Amazon FBA is my primary means of doing that. I love the Amazon FBA business model. I love leveraging a company like Amazon to further my business, but that doesn't mean that I'm not going to attack Shopify and TikTok Shop and all these different ways to push my brand and sell my product. Because at the end of the day, all these vehicles are just a means of getting my product into as many hands of as many people as possible. And in my opinion, it's a little bit safer that way, because then you're not solely reliant on one method or one channel of sales, so that when Amazon FBA fees do go up drastically, like they kind of have lately, that's not my only avenue of sales. And when ads on Meta or TikTok are not working so well that month, again, that's not my only avenue of sales. Omni-channel is the way of the future for me. Anyways, the real reason I'm making this video is to truly identify who my audience is. It was funny, I had a conversation with somebody at YouTube, and I was talking about why some of the views in my last couple videos have slipped. And they told me that it was because the direction of my videos had changed fairly drastically, and that they weren't really sure who my audience was. So I just want to be more than clear about who my audience is on this channel. It's you. It's if you're watching this video and you want to start an e-commerce business, or you've started one and maybe you just need a little bit of help along the way, or you just want to hear from a like-minded person who's on that struggling journey as well, or if you just want to be a part of this community that I'm trying to build and you've built and scaled massive e-commerce brands, and there's any wisdom or advice that you can impart to this group of e-commerce entrepreneurs that we're trying to build here. That's what this channel is. I'm here to help you find as many ways as possible to grow your income, whether it's a side hustle or your main business, through e-commerce and making money online, to give you that encouragement, to let you know that it is possible if it's something that you're passionate about, and to just let you know that I believe in you and that you can do it. That's who this channel is for. It's for you. If you want to build a brand, if you want to make something of value and provide it to a market that needs it and is excited about it, and you want to build the passion around that brand, and you want to get up and do something that you're genuinely excited about doing every day, those are the people that I want on this channel. Those are the people that I hope are subscribing and I hope will subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thank you so much for being a part of my journey on YouTube so far. It's always been a dream of mine to be a YouTuber in any form. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.